Hi.
Hi, Leanne. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
How are you
too.
doing?
I'm doing well.
Who is
Thank you.
this?
Oh, this is Cece.
She's already introducing herself.
Oh, she is.
Yeah.
She introduces herself to you
Yeah.
and everybody else outside.
She's a cutie.
Oh,
So
she is.
you wrote me about shades, right?
I did. We have these shades. They're temporary. They don't suit our needs because we have this little one
Yeah.
who really likes to bark all the time at people walking by.
Bet. Do you want to block Cece's view out? So
We do, and we
yeah.
also want to let some light in.
So she's barking, but these only come from the top down. So a nice alternative, we can go with some cellular shades that are
Okay.
top down, bottom up. That way we can bring them down to about the midpoint and then
Yeah.
drop them the rest of the way. Kind of blocks her view from the street,
Yeah.
but also lets that natural daylight come in.
That would be great. Thanks.
I'm gonna grab a tape measure so we can make a list of the shades that we need.
Sounds great.
All right, do you want to take some notes for me?
Absolutely.
All right, here's a pencil. So we're gonna get started by taking this old one down.
That's going to be nice to have removed.
Yeah. All right. When it comes to shades, there's a lot of options, but we're kind of narrowing it down to cellular shades. So when you go to that, there's really two options, inside mount and outside mount. So inside would be between the casing here and here, and outside would cover across. To do the inside mount, we need to have a minimum of 3/4 of an inch of depth. So you got 1 1/8 and 1 1/8. So we're good, we can do the inside mount.
Okay.
Next we want to measure the width. So to do that, I'm going to measure in 3 spots. I measure at the bottom, in the middle, and at the top, and then I'm going to go with the smallest measurement.
Okay.
So I got 33 1/8, 33 1/4, and 33 1/4. So we'll go 33 1/8 at the
Okay.
bottom.
All right.
That'll be our measurement we're going to drive off of. And then for the height, again, measure in 3 spots. 51 1/2, 51 1/2, and 51 1/2. So it's all the same. So we'll send that measurement out. And we're going to send these to the factory, and they'll do their reducing that they need to on the width to ensure it fits. They'll probably reduce it about 1/8 inch, so you'll have a little room on either side to snap it in. So you have a lot of windows, so we're going to go around, we're going to measure them all, we're going to place the order, we're going to go pick them up, and then we'll put them in. So that's window 1. Let's go to window 2.
Sounds good.
All right. All right, so we have everything we need. We got
Yeah.
our shade, our mounting brackets, screws to put them up,
Yeah.
and our handle. So we're gonna get started with the layout up top. And they say that you should come in anywhere from 2 to 4 inches. So I'm gonna come in 3 inches. And from the left side, come in 3 inches. And then we're simply gonna put our mounting bracket up into place. And you can see we have a good spot right here for 1 screw in the center. If this was deeper and we had more room, we could put 2 screws in, but all they require is just 1. And then I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna bring that over to my 3-inch mark and go right in the center. And now we know where we need to pre-drill. So 1/8 inch drill bit, it's about the size of the shank of the screw.
Okay.
So that way, just the threads are grabbing of the
Okay.
screw. You wanna do that hole?
Sure.
All right. All right, so you can pre-drill that
Okay.
mark right there, right in the center.
Yeah.
Nice, perfect. And you can spin it out. Nice. So now all we need to do, we'll take our drill bit out.
Yep.
And what's nice is 1/4 inch, the head of the screw is 1/4 inch, so we can just put that right there. All right, we'll put our mounting bracket back into place here.
Yep.
We'll bring the screw up in. All right.
Okay.
And you want to do the left side?
Yeah.
All right, so I'll give you a hand. So this is a little bit sloppy, so just put one hand on the screw so it doesn't fall out.
Okay.
And then this is how the bracket gets mounted right there. And then there's going to be a little resistance, so you do want to push hard.
Reach it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
All right, go right. Put a lot of weight behind it.
Yep.
And then hard right. Spin the gun. There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
All right, that's all we need to do for those.
That's
all right,
good.
so
Yeah.
now we're ready for our shade. So there is a front and a back to this. So you see
Okay.
that groove right there?
Yeah.
So that's our front, and that is going to hook right onto these mounting brackets right there. So I'm going to bring it up into place. I'm going to hook it on, and then I'm going to use my fingers, and I'm going to go equal, equal. And then all I'm gonna do is roll down. All right, so one more thing, we need to add that handle.
Yep.
Snap that on. All right, let's give it a try.
Okay.
All right, nice, we'll pull that down.
Oh, that's nice.
Block CC's
That's
view.
really nice.
But then if you want to let that light in, bring this down. I always like to do it with 2 hands and then line it up with the top of that window sash.
That's what we've been missing.
Yeah. All right, let's go do the rest of the windows.
Sounds good. Let's go.
All right, you're all set.
I'm so happy.
You like
what
them?
a difference. Yes.
Good,
yes.
yeah, big change. But tell CC I said sorry about that.
I don't know
No
how
more
she's going to
barking.
feel about that.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Maybe an hour a day.
That sounds
Leave
good.
them open.
Yeah.
Well, take care.
Okay. Thank you so much, Nathan.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.